Thank you for your purchase of Dash Toy Box, the multi-purpose toy box made from superior non-toxic first-grade high-density plastic. Dash Toy Box comes with strong and sturdy base support and swivel wheels for hassle-free movement. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful toy box by using these parts. Start the assembly by attaching the 4 wheels at the bottom of the sturdy shelf tray. Then, slide the 4 small pipes inside the available cavity of tray and fix another shelf tray on top of it. Next, repeat the same steps for remaining levels also. For top floor, insert the connector and small pipes in the available cavity and make the shape similar to housetop. Once done with the complete structure, please cover the entire toy box with provided durable and washable cloth cover. The spacious multi-purpose toy box is now ready for use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.